Ever find yourself frustrated with your current web hosting service? It's a common feeling. Many of us have been there, battling slow load times that seem to stretch on forever. Or perhaps you're grappling with limited storage that can't keep up with your growing needs. Maybe it's the lackluster customer service, or the high cost that's burning a hole in your pocket. Whatever the case, you're not alone in this predicament, and there's a solution that could change everything. Enter Hostinger, a web hosting service that aims to solve these common issues. One of the key features that sets Hostinger apart is its 99.9% uptime guarantee. This means your website will almost never experience downtime, keeping your online presence consistent and reliable. But that's not all. Hostinger also offers unlimited bandwidth and disk space, ensuring your website can handle any amount of traffic and store all your important data without restrictions. Customer support is a cornerstone of any good service, and Hostinger shines in this regard too. With 24/7 365 support, you can rest assured that any issues you encounter will be promptly addressed, no matter the time or day. Affordability is another standout feature of Hostinger. The service offers a variety of plans to suit different budget needs, all while maintaining high quality. Plus, the convenience of free domain registration and an easy-to-use website builder make creating your online presence a breeze. Hostinger's web hosting services are not just about providing space on the server, but about offering a comprehensive solution for your online presence. For those in need of more control and greater performance, Hostinger offers VPS services too. Imagine having an exclusive piece of the internet's infrastructure, dedicated solely to your project. That's what Hostinger's VPS services offer. You get dedicated resources, ensuring your site runs smoothly and can handle the traffic it deserves. But it's not just about performance. Hostinger's VPS services give you full root access for total control. You can customize, tweak, and optimize to your heart's content. And with SSD disk drives, your site won't just perform better, it'll fly. Then there's the IPv6 support, keeping you ahead of the curve as the internet evolves. But perhaps the most significant advantage is the increased privacy and enhanced security that comes with using a VPS. It's like having your own private fortress in the digital world. With Hostinger's VPS services, you have all the tools to take your project to the next level. So, why wait? The moment to elevate your digital game is now. With Hostinger's web hosting and VPS services, say goodbye to the slow loading times, limited storage, and poor customer support you've been tolerating. Instead, embrace lightning-fast speeds, generous storage options, and around-the-clock customer service. Remember, every second counts in the digital world, and Hostinger ensures you're not wasting any. Give Hostinger a try today and experience a difference in your online journey.